Welcome to Mr. Pronunciation Guide, where we master the art of pronouncing some of the world's most commonly mispronounced words. From tricky terms to curious names, we have you covered. Today let us dive in and learn how to say
Eyjafjallajökull
is the name of a famous glacier-covered volcano in southern Iceland. The name means island mountain glacier. It gained international attention in 2010 when it erupted and disrupted air travel across Europe.
Eyjafjallajökull 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 Eyjafjallajökull.
Check out more videos on pronouncing tricky words and names with confidence. Avoid common mispronunciations with tips from this video. If you found it helpful, I would love your support. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon.